So it's this again. Watching Cracke. Full moon. Oh my god, this guy is just... Oh my god, what the heck is this? This is a crazy... These are crazy animations for kids. And this is like okay guys. Your feet its feet ate the rhinoceros, and that is crazy. Barbed wire, that means like a turkey. Oh my god. His egg went. He's actually gonna get... What? How did he even get pink like that? But this is like GNA for. Okay, now that is good. Now that is crazy. Am I being like a chicken or something? He's just getting the wrong way. He got destroyed again. Do they think they're gonna cook him? A stick! That is dangerous for birds. Birds never do that in real life, but only in that cartoon. I mean, oh my god! That is crazy. Another barbed wire. Let me change this. Oh my god, here's the alligator and the bird. Oh my god. What the heck? You're gonna hit again! What? I'm reacting to crazy bit. Oh my god. He threw him out of his mouth. That is crazy. That is like so crazy. Rotor. What is a rotor? They went all of the air. The nest fell all over the air, and that is... No. This guy was crazy. This is crazy. The bird just stung him. Oh my god, how was he up a cliff? Oh my god, they could fall into the dripstone. Oh my god. Now that's what I call a bird copter. Egg a la croc, what does that mean? There's a croc, there's an alligator again. What? The alligator took the egg. He thinks he's gonna eat the egg. There's a bird. That is crazy. Okay, guys. After this video ends, after that video ends, I'm gonna make... So subscribe and I'll make a part 2 of this video. Okay, guys, see you later.